How to mass delete contacts on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Contacts application on your phone. The Contacts app on iPhone is a built-in application for managing contact information. It allows users to store names, phone numbers, email addresses, and other details for individuals and organizations. This is your iPhone keypad. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Contacts in the middle. You can find all your contacts over here. Now, tap and hold the first contact with 2 fingers and swipe down through your contacts to select as many of them as you want. And then, select Delete Contacts at the bottom as shown. Tap on Delete Contacts again to confirm. You have now successfully deleted these contacts from your phone. You can repeat this to delete the other contacts from your phone as well. Following these steps, you can easily mass delete contacts on iPhone.